Hey y'all, Melissa here with you today, and I've got boxes all around me. These were delivered to my porch recently, and I thought we'd unbox them together because these are my new fabrics from Riley Blake Designs. Let me show you what I expect to find in these boxes. These are apparel fabrics, knits and rayon challis, and I'm so excited to finally get my hands on more than just a sample. So let's take a look at what's in here. I'm gonna start with the big box first because it's heavy and that's the one I'm most curious about. All right, get the paper out of the way. I'm already getting a peek. So here is the first one. Let's take this out. So this is like a geometric print. And you guys know I love yellow, so can't wait to make myself some sunny colored things. And then we've got floral. So here we go, kind of navy blue and pink, which happens to match the pink I'm wearing. That turned out really cool. I think all the knits are in this box. So that print, the floral, also comes in a yellow. And it's the same kind of design, just a different color scheme. I really like this one. And it also comes in white. And this print was all based on watercolor paintings that I made. So I really like how on the white you can kind of see that it started out as watercolor drawings. And last one from this box, we've got the geometric print, but reversed from the first one. This is the golden yellow on a white background. I really like how the scale of the print turned out when you look at it on the full bolt. Let's take a look at this one next, I guess. Actually, I'm gonna put those back in the box so that I can put this box on top. Oh, more knits, more bolts of this. Oh no, wait. These are the rayons. It's the same print, but it's rayon. Okay, I've only gotten my hands on one rayon so far, and it was a really great weight. So I'm super excited about these. Guys, look at this, y'all. That's such great drape. I'm so excited to sew some stuff with these rayons. So pretty. And the navy one. So inks react a little bit differently on different fabrics, you've probably noticed. And I feel like on the rayon challis, like the colors are just a little bit richer. And here's the gold one. I might be more excited about this fabric than any of them. Like it's yellow and it's floaty, and oh my gosh, this is gonna be something gorgeous. Let's check out what's in this last box. Hey, this is another one of the geometric ones. I guess this wouldn't fit in the other box. This is the pink colorway of that geometric knit. So it's a little bit darker than the light pinks that were in some of the other prints, but I really love this color too. All right, y'all, so those are my latest fabrics. I'm gonna put some links below about where you can purchase these. And if you're curious about how I design fabrics, I've linked a video here that kind of gives you an overview of the process. And if you have any ideas about what I should make with any of these, leave me a comment below so I can check that out.